welcome to Guitar Lily Grandpa. I'm Jim Hinkle, bringing you a channel that celebrates Jesus in song and scripture. Let's see what today's video has in store. Well, today a reprise of a song I covered as part of a chord demonstration video for Ah Bold Bird. This song, Consider the Birds of the Air, is an original worship song of mine. When I first recorded it as part of that earlier video, I was using just a mic Cambra combination mic that I have. I've since upgraded my microphone, and hopefully the sound quality will be better as I do this song for you again. Consider the birds of the air. Consider the birds of the air. Look at the flowers growing in the soil. These never toil, yet your Father above feeds and clothes them with his love. Consider the birds of the air. Don't you worry, don't you fret. God cares for birds and flowers. Won't he reach to bless you yet? Consider the birds of the air. Look at the flowers growing in the soil. These never toil, yet your Father above feeds and clothes them with his love. Consider the birds of the air. Consider the birds of the air. Consider the birds of the air. Well, I invite you to take this teaching of Jesus Christ to heart. Do consider the birds of the air and learn that God's holding you in the palm of his hand every day of your life. If you like what you heard, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Guitar Lily Grandpa. See you in the next video.